Alright, in the last video we covered the basic fundamentals of Sony Vegas 13. Upon making that video, I realized that most people aren't as fortunate as I am to have such an amazing program that my wife got for me. So what I'm going to do here is show how to do some of the basic things that we've done in Sony Vegas 13 in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this cool video with the fire effect and the inlays. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, for this video, I'm going to make some basic assumptions. One, that you are relatively familiar with PowerPoint. Relatively, we're going to go through a lot of the different stuff to do this fire text in detail, but I'm going to assume that you know how to insert files, that you know where the animations tab is, that kind of stuff. For the more advanced stuff, I'll actually slow down and discuss where these items are, but for the most part, I'm not going to get into all of that. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and jump into this. I'm going to go ahead and insert a text box. I'm going to type in the word fire in this text box. It's going to be pretty simple, pretty basic. I'm going to make fire text in PowerPoint for you guys. Real quick, right here. I'm going to use, for this, I like to use a really fat, bold, like impact. So let's do impact, and let's bold the impact. And let's go kind of large, so you can see the details of the fire once we get all that settled. I'm going to go ahead and change the color on this to a red. And I'm going to format the background just of the shape to black. And that's how we're going to get this basic fire text going. What the goal is to have the fire text in the center of the screen so we can have the video behind it. Okay? What we're going to do now, this is kind of the cool part, right? You're going to click right here. You're going to save this as a picture, right? And we're going to save it as a picture on my desktop so that I can find it relatively easily. I'm going to go Insert Picture. I'm going to find this picture on my desktop, which is right here. Now, since I have this picture, I no longer need my original text box, so I will go ahead and delete that. So I just have this. Now, it's a picture, so I can't make any changes, which is why it was very important in the initial steps that you got your fire nice and bold and all of that cool stuff. And then you want to go right here, Format Picture. Up here on the top, you want to go Color. You want to click Color Transparency. And then now my fire is clear and transparent. But insert, now go over here, insert Format File. Going to insert a video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of center this, line it up nice where I want it, and then click and send to the back. And that puts it right behind my fire. Makes it very beautiful. I can move it around a little bit. I can play with it. But basically, that's the entire effect of how we get our fire effect right. So, and then what we'll do is we'll just insert some black boxes to go ahead and hide the rest of this video. And you're just going to drag it nice and big. And then you're going to format it. Same thing we did on the top. Fire's just cool on a black background. Just cool. So we've got that there. Now, how do we get the video to play? We go to our video options. Go right here to video, and we're going to set the video to autoplay. Once we do that, we're done. There's our fire text right there on the screen. So that will be it for this video.